In this video, I'm going to show how you can change a PSC motor to run on a VFD. This is my espresso grinder, and I bought the cheapest VFD I could find on eBay. When I hooked it up with the capacitor, the motor was running a variable speed, but it was cogging really bad. I found that I can connect it like a Scott T transformer and get really good speed regulation, basically running it like a two-phase motor. I found that 800 RPM works really good for grinding and 21 for blowing out the grounds. Here I've got it set to 800 RPM.